Epiroc Mining India Limited ensures the efficient use of resources in the various processes. Hundreds of chemicals are used in day-to-day activity and workers are exposed to these chemicals. Safety measures to be followed while handling chemicals. Identify the type of the chemicals, whether it's harmful or dangerous, and check the signs and specifications before use. Use appropriate personal protective equipment such as safety apron, hand gloves, and respirators before handling any chemical. While handling liquid nitrogen, use face shield and full body apron to avoid skin contact. Conduct hazard identification and risk assessment before using any chemical. Ensure that all chemicals are labeled as explosive, flammable, oxidizing, corrosive, or environmental toxicity. Do not keep the chemicals on the floor and unclosed. Store the chemicals in well-ventilated area. Store the flammable chemicals in yellow color storage container. Use secondary containment to store chemicals such as diesel, oil, paint, and thinner and maintain their storage limit. Do not inhale or inject any chemicals as they cause hazardous reaction on contact to the body. Do not drink, eat, or smoke while working with hazardous chemicals. In case of chemical contact, inform your area first aider or supervisor. Prevent mixing of oil into rainwater drains and clean the chemical spills immediately. Dispose the harmful chemical container in a safer way. Maintain the Material Safety Data Sheet (MSDS) to learn about the chemical specifications. MSDS includes details such as chemical name, physical characteristics, fire and explosion data, dangerous properties, precautions for safety handling, reactivity data, first aid and firefighting measures, transportation and disposal information. Keep all the MSDS in the first aid box of the respective region. All the employees should follow the safety rule while handling hazardous chemicals to create an accident-free zone. Epiroc, united in performance, inspired by innovation.